swear, she just brings me on her channel so I can embarrass myself.
Oh. Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the hashtag holidays. I have best friend Mia here today, Santa Mia, the one and only. Today we're gonna be doing a different kind of DIY challenge, a festive DIY challenge. I'm a terrible rapper. Also, like I'm a bad that kind of rapper, but I'm also like a bad but also like a bad rapper.
I don't think you are. You're LAUR.DIY.
Yeah, but it just doesn't translate. It's like makeup. It just doesn't like translate over, you know?
You're great at makeup.
I'm literally not. I have one look.
Literally flashback to the James Charles recreating video. Flashback to your school thing.
Stop it.
Your clown makeup.
Anyways, Mia and I have a few different options of like really random things to wrap today, and we're gonna put our wrapping skills to the test. So I've got this giant ornament, which I just realized that my hand does not fit into. Oh, no. I think we could just pull something out. Okay, so we've got 3 different things. I'm gonna be donating everything afterwards because for the most part, it's like toys and stuff.
I'm scared. As usual, I'm always here doing this.
You keep agreeing to it, it makes me so happy. What does it say?
I got the giraffes! All of them! I literally got the worst. They're like plushy. They got a little structure.
Yeah, they got a little structure. Oh my gosh, okay, so this is the most detailed one because these are the smallest and the weirdest. They also have to be wrapped individually. Whoa, okay, giraffe. We are contortionists up in this. I feel like that's gonna really help you though in wrapping, that their legs are just like,
thanks for the hint.
There's one thing that's like much harder than the other.
Beep. Her words, not mine. Beep.
You look like the girl on The Price is Right, being like, you're gonna win this car. Okay, so Mia's got all the giraffes. I've got the crazy coupe car. And also we learned that moose is about the exact size to fit into a crazy coupe car, so that might need to happen before I wrap it.
Yes, please.
What do you think, Bubba? His tail.
Oh my goodness. That's the best part.
Beep. Hey, you guys kind of have the same snouts. The tail in the trunk. When your mom asks, when are you having kids? He doesn't like the giraffe.
No, he loves it. Look at him.
Oh!
Can't donate that one, Moose.
Okay, ready? I think you have the easier one.
I think this is the hardest.
You wanna switch?
No, we mustn't.
I think I'm gonna wrap everything but leave the wheels out as like a little surprise. Also, we've dressed for the festivities today in case you hadn't noticed. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Here's the game plan. I'm gonna leave the wheels out, cover the body, gonna tackle that first. Not entirely sure how I'm gonna handle this. It's just like so sticky outy. I don't know.
What is that?
The ignition. Maybe leave the steering wheel out, is that cute? Because it's obviously like something with wheels already if you have.
Yeah.
Do I lose points though for leaving stuff out?
No! It's like, should I leave the head out? Well, these are movable. So I'm wondering if I should try to make it more compact, you know? You do that snap.
That cracky, I was like.
Wait, so I have to do them individually or I do them together?
Individually. This poor giraffe.
I truly don't know how I'm gonna go about it. Like I was thinking, do I wrap each hoof?
I don't.
Exactly, it's
I don't
hard,
know.
right?
I don't know. Do you wrap the ears individually?
That'd be cute.
That would be really cute.
I think I'm gonna do all 3 different ways so that I have maximum chances of winning.
Okay.
I think I have an advantage.
I really think you do. Like the advantage of your giraffe's leg being able to be like, is sick.
Yeah.
Oh my god, okay, let's do it. Also, I have the cutest llama paper ever. And go.
Okay. This is my side.
You only need room for 3 giraffes. I have a whole car. I feel like this is like making a car decal. I don't know what to do. Okay, I think we just start. I think I just need to tape something on and we'll just go from there. The poor giraffe. I'm nervous. And contact. Oh, yours is so much easier. This is like some traditional wrapping. Oh my god. Gerald. Are they all Geralds? Or are they different names?
Gerald, Susan, and Matthew. I apologize in advance if I use way too much wrapping paper.
Oh, heck yeah. Oh my god, why do you have so much paper?
I don't know why I think I need this much. Am I in your way?
No, I'm trying to figure out a game plan. Also, this tape is not sticking to my crazy coupe car and I'm a little concerned.
That must suck. Never done this before. Oh, that is way too much wrapping paper.
I told you, I was like, why do you have so much?
Because I don't know how to wrap a giraffe, Lauren. I have a plan.
I think I need to go make an outfit change. I'm hot.
I don't really know what it is that I'm doing, but I think it'll make the top look nicer. I swear, she just brings me on her channel so I can embarrass myself. Oh. Everyone comes out. Wasn't me! Now her wrapping is ruined.
My car! My car! Okay, Christmas outfit, but make it summer. We're back in this. We're back in this. Did you wrap one?
No, I'm trying to go about making it.
You haven't wrapped one?
No!
What you can do it besides sabotaging my crazy coupe?
I didn't do it. One time I had an 8th birthday party and their mom wrapped my present like this. It was a long, long time ago. I don't really remember.
Cool story, bro. There's a lot happening over here that's not very nice.
I really hope this works.
Oh, that was actually a good corner that I just did.
Gerald? Gerald!
Wait, what is happening over here? What is this? Shh. Gerald, Susan, and Matt?
Yeah, named after, you know. Oh gosh, I've just ruined everything for myself.
Yo, honestly, this side is not looking bad.
Ah! Out of my way. I can't even do the easiest one. Why am I here?
Oh my god, he's like a pretzel.
You know what? The whole folding thing was just a big fat waste of my...
Okay, here we go. Here we go.
I wish I could like do a bow. I should have watched some tutorials.
I can't believe you balled him up that hard.
On to the next one. Matt, you ready? This Matt, not you. I was thinking punching 4 holes. Putting it on like pants. And then wrapping the body and then wrapping the leg. Hear me out, hear me out, hear me out. Hear me out.
The other problem here is that like, is it important if all the llamas go the same direction?
Yes. Very. I think no matter what you do at this point, it'll still look better than mine.
Pants time in 3, 2, 1.
Didn't do my proper measurements.
Oh my god, it's like putting on a diaper.
Oh, it's cute!
Your poor giraffes, they're like, we didn't sign up for this. I feel like this has now turned into the llama mobile. Oh, my llamas are going the wrong way. Got llama dilemmas. Dilemmas.
That's a good one.
I got dilemmas.
That was your best joke this
That's
year.
my best joke yet. This is so much harder than I thought it was going to be. I was like, let's do a fun Christmas challenge. It'll be fun. It'll be easy. We're just wrapping. It's just Christmas wrapping. Susan? Susan, are you in there? Do you need breathing? Oh, Susan!
Give Oh.
Oh my god. Oh, it got ugly on the front. No.
Got? Done.
Susie, you in there?
Susie, you good?
Damn, that looks like a massive candy. I like that one.
Thank you. I feel like I should have just wrapped this head. Should have just went for $4.
Yeah, right?
I got time. Why didn't get the underneath?
I don't know, okay? I'm stressed. I've got myself a dilemma, I told you. It's like multiple hours later.
So many hours.
Literally, like, I wish I was kidding. I wish I hadn't said that I spent a lot of my day wrapping. Yeah. Moose agrees. Mia, walk us through your creations.
Okay, I thought you'd never ask. So first was this, very, you know, basic. I feel like not well executed, but she's okay. Next, we got a little more creative, you know? We threw the neck back, we gave the giraffe some pants, and, ooh, this bow. This one is the Tootsie Roll wrap. I added some detail to the ribbon. I cut it like that.
Oh wait, that actually looks cute.
I know. You wouldn't think there's a giraffe in here.
I don't think any of them, honestly, particularly look like giraffes. I threw out my back wrapping this, so love that for me. And honestly, this was so hard. I'm like annoyed with myself that I bought this as one of the options to wrap. I was like, oh, this would be like really funny.
You did this
to
like yourself.
Funny until it was me doing it. So thanks past me for this. But she looks pretty good, to be honest. We've got full 360 coverage with a working steering wheel, still, and horn. You're like, windshield is covered, wheels still exposed. This tape is coming off. We're gonna avoid that.
I feel like you almost just gave it a makeover.
Yeah, right? It's the llama mobile. It's like when someone gets their car wrapped. This is the type of wrap that I would get for the holiday season. Pink llama holiday festive wrap. So I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY challenge Christmas best friend edition. Let us know in the comments whose wrap job was better. We should have had to like drop a Christmas wrap while also doing Christmas wrapping. Like wrap while wrapping.
Yes.
I feel like that could have been the move. Let us know in the comments down below who you would hire as your wrapping Christmas elf. Honestly, this is like hot fire.
It's definitely something. Would you be like excited to open that?
Heck yeah, I'd be excited to open this. Honestly, if it had breathing holes, I'd be like, oh my god, I got a dog for Christmas.
Okay, well actually, which one out of the three do you think is the best?
Personally, this one. You can see his legs. He's got pantaloonies. Oh, look at, there's a little bit of giraffe tuft sticking out, so that's like get you excited for what you're about to unwrap. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to Mia's channel if you haven't already. She's been dropping hot fire music lately.
Thank you.
And if you haven't seen last Wednesday's vlog, that'll be linked in the down bar below, and I will see you guys on Wednesday for weekly vlog on Sunday, but on a Sunday. Okay, bye guys, love you. Bye.
My pretty little kingdom out here running the